All right, so finally time to change the wipers on my Type R. And if you notice anything with the Type R, the hinge right here is under the hood. So if you try to lift it up, you're gonna hit right here. So the first thing you need to do is actually put the car in wiper maintenance mode. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. And it is very simple. All right, so for wiper maintenance mode, really, you hit the button, but don't press on the brake or the clutch. Then you hit start stop button one more time. Then you hit it again and shut the car off completely. And then you hold the wiper up. And as you can see, it lifted up the wipers. Now you can fold them up and you can change the wipers. All right, so when you're actually changing the wipers, for good measure, I'd always recommend that you have a microfiber here, and you'll see why in a minute. So in order to get the wiper off, you're just going to press this button on the top, and the wiper comes right out. Now I know that was kind of quick, so I'll do it again. Press the button, and then just slide the wiper out. Now, the reason I recommend that you have a microfiber, so you can rest it on there. I don't like putting this metal on the glass, even if it's for a minute, but I'm gonna get the new wiper, and you're gonna do the exact same thing in the reverse process, and I'll show you how to do that. Now, when I'm changing out the wipers, and I have the old one off, which this is the old one, this is the new one, I always put them next to each other just to make sure they're the same wiper. As you can see, they're identical. And the old one actually doesn't have too much wear and tear on it, but they were starting to get some lines, so that's why I decided to change it. So I'm going to do the reverse now. I'm going to press the button on the outside, slide it into the groove, and just push it in and it goes right in. Now I can remove the towel. I can do the same with the other wiper. Comes right out. Just for a second, I'm going to put that on the towel. Now I will take the new wiper and once again, just making sure they're the same. They are. Going to discard the old one. And it does take some finesse to get them in. These aren't as easy as the other ones that kind of clip in. Especially on a new wiper, you want to make sure you're in line. So I'm not going to edit this out. I'll show you, it does take some finessing. And it's in. See, that one gave me a little bit of trouble. Just keep fiddling with it. It'll come in, it'll go out. But that's all you have to do. Now when you start the car, you can just put the car in and push it down and it goes right back down. Don't even need to start the car. Now the fun part is the rear wiper, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So the rear wiper is a bit trickier. Now you can see that there's no visible buttons or anything on it. So what you need to do is literally just put your hands like this and press down. And when you press down, it'll just pop out. Now it does take some force. You are going to feel like you are breaking it, but trust me, you're not. These are meant to pop out. Now it does take a little bit of finesse to get this out, but you really just have to push and it pops right out. So, same as I usually do. Make sure they're the same. They are. I'm going to discard the old one. Then the hard part is really getting this lined up again. And there it goes, just like that. And you've successfully changed all the wipers on your Type R hatchback.